by Cobey Bartels Date 26.09.2017. Initial onroad tests will use two Freightliner Cascadia truck and trailer combinations. Daimler is taking its truck platooning technology to U.S. roads for testing. Daimler has announced that after successful trials of its platooning technology, it'll be taking the connected truck technology to U.S. roads. After the successful trials on the Daimler Trucks North America DTNA Proving Ground in Oregon, the company received permission from the Oregon Department of Transportation to take the testing onroad. Initial onroad testing will involve two Freightliner Cascadia truck and trailer combinations connected using the first step of DTNA's platooning technology pairing. Daimler also aims to better understand the benefits of platooning technology for fleet operations through working alongside large fleet customers. President and CEO of Daimler Trucks North America, Roger Nielsen, explains the platooning technology is not there to replace drivers, but to improve safety and efficiency. Platooning technology is not meant to replace drivers, it's designed to help drivers, Nielsen said. We see growing customer interest in platooning. This technology stands for more efficiency and safety. According to Daimler, by the time the legal framework is in place for platooning, the technology will be ready for customers to utilize. When the world is ready for platooning, DTNA will have a proven solution, Nielsen said. Right now, we are driving Freightliners in platoons every day. I have personally driven one of our trucks in a connected mode. My experience has been impressive. Get daily updates on the industry by subscribing to the Fully Loaded newsletter, joining our LinkedIn group, or liking us on Facebook.